Looking to visually represent progress or statistics on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the progress bar block from Nextblocks, perfect for creating customizable, linear, and circular progress indicators. Whether you are showcasing skills, project milestones, or any measurable data, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the progress bar block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for progress bar. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of progress bar block from Nextblocks. From the layout, you can select two types of layout: progress bar and pie chart. Let's see the progress bar first. From the style section, you can select from two predefined styles, style 1 and style 2. As you can see, both will add a unique style to your progress bar. For style 1, you can set the height of the progress bar. You can set it to small, medium, or large. In large, the title will be inside the progress bar. So let's keep it to small for now. Then from the title, you can add a title to the progress bar. You can even add a subtitle. Then in the value, you can set a number, how far the progress bar will be filled. You can set it between 0 to 100. Enabling the display number toggle, you can show the number or hide the number. Then from the symbol, you can add a symbol to the progress bar. You can position the symbol before or after the number. Then from the icon image tab, you can add an icon or image to the progress bar. For icons, you can add icons from font awesome or dash icons. Then from the position, you can set the position before or after the title. Or you can add an image as well. Let's keep it to none for now. Now to create a layout like where we are showing multiple progress bars, you have to add individual progress bar blocks and set them manually as per your requirements. Now let's see the pie chart layout. For that, we'll use this example. In the style section, we'll find three predefined styles: style 1, style 2, and style 3. All will add unique style to your pie chart. Then from circle style, you can select from two predefined styles of the circle, style 1 and style 2. Then you can add a title, subtitle. Again, in the value, you can set the value how far the circle will be filled. You can set a range between 0 to 1. Like we have set 0.75 over here. That will be 75%. Enabling the display number toggle, you can show the number over here. You can add a symbol. For style 3, you will find this icon or image tab. From here, you can add an icon or an image as we have done over here. Again, to add multiple pie charts, you have to use the progress bar block separately. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. For pie chart, you will find this pie chart tab. From here, you can set the circle size, you can set the thickness. By enabling the draw reverse toggle, you can reverse the pie chart animation like this. Then the empty color field where the progress bar is not filled, you can set the color. Then for the fill, you can add solid color or a gradient color. Then from the title tab, you can adjust the title typography. You can even add global typography as well. You can adjust the title color. From the subtitle tab, you can adjust the subtitle typography, color. From number tab, you can adjust the number typography, color. Then from number postfix prefix tab, you can adjust the symbol typography and color. If you have set an icon over here, you will see icon related styling options. Now for the progress bar layout, you'll find this progress bar tab. From here, you can adjust the above spacing. You can adjust the fill background. You can adjust the empty background which is not filled. Rest of the option will be same. Then the advanced tab, will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the progress bar block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.